Good day guys. Welcome where Maths is made easy by teacher Satya here. In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to solve equations using algebra. Make sure you stick along and watch the entire video to get a better understanding on this topic. Now let's get to it guys. So, what do we have in this question? We know that twice a number added to 8 is 14. And we have to find the number. And in this question, they have given the number as x. So, the number is equal to x. Now, what do we mean by twice a number, guys? Let's say I have a number as 10. Twice the number would be 2 times 10. Now, in this case, when the number is equal to x, twice a number would be 2 times x, which is equal to 2x, right guys? Now, also we know that when twice a number is added to 8, so when twice a number, which is 2x, is added to 8, we get an answer which is equal to 14. Now what we have is simple linear equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out by transposing 8 to the other side. So we have 2x is equal to 14 minus 8. 2x is equal to 6. Now I'm going to transpose 2 to the other side. So x is equal to 6 over 2, which is equal to 3. Therefore, the number in this question is equal to 3. Alright guys, now let's go to question number 2. 14 less than 4 times a number is equal to 6. Find the number, and this question they have given that the number is equal to y. Now before that, let's understand what do we mean by 4 times a number. Okay, so 4 times a number is 4 multiplied by the number. So for example, if I have a question, let's say a number is equal to 15, 4 times this number would be 4 times 15. Now in this case, when I have the number is equal to y, 4 times this number, would be equal to 4 times y, which is equal to 4y. Right guys, now 14 less than 4 times the number is equal to 6. So we have 14 less than 4 times the number, which is 4y minus 14 is equal to 6. Now some of you may be asking why I wrote 4y first instead of 14 first. Now think about it this way guys. If I say 5 less than 20, I would write it as 20 minus 5, right? So in this case, 14 less than 4 times the number, which is where 4 times the number is 4y, it will be 4y minus 14. Alright guys, now we are back to simple linear equations. I'm going to start out by transposing negative 14 to the other side. So I would have 4y is 6 plus 14. 4y is equal to 20, and I'm going to transpose 4 to the other side now. So y is equal to 20 over 4, which is equal to 5. So in this case, the number that we are looking for is equal to 5. Now let's get along to the last question guys. Alright, so Max has $34 in his bank account. He plans to deposit $12 a week until he has a total amount of $130. How many weeks will it take him? So in this question, we have to find the amount of weeks. So let's take the amount of weeks is equal to x. Alright guys, so he already has $34 in his bank account. So $34 plus something would give us 130, right guys? And we have to find this something. Now think about it this way. If he deposits $12 just for 1 week, he would have 34 plus 12 times 1. That's for 1 week. Now if he deposits $12 for 2 weeks, it will be 34 plus 12 times 2. If he deposits $12 for 3 weeks, it will be 34 plus 12 times 3. Now, if he deposits $12 $12 for X amount of weeks, it will be 34 plus 12 multiplied by X, right guys? And we know that 34 plus 12 multiplied by X, so we have 34 plus 12X is equal to 130. Now we are back at simple linear equations again. I'm going to transpose this plus 34 to the other side. So I'm going to have 12x is equal to 130 minus 34. 130 minus 34 will give us 96. Therefore, x is equal to 96 over 12, which is equal to 8. So the amount of weeks that Max has to put $12 for each week is equal to 8 weeks. Alright guys, now hope this helped you out. If you do like the video, do not forget to click on the like button below and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. Until next time guys, have a nice day.